Hi everyone, my name is Oralia. You are at Style and Lipstick. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be my April Boxycharm unboxing and try on. If you have not heard about Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription service. It's a subscription box that provides you 4 to 5, maybe sometimes 6 full-sized beauty products. They send it out monthly. It is $21 and every product that you get in the box is full size. I always open my box ahead of time because I am doing this try-on style, so I want to be sure that I've put on whatever makeup I need to get on my face before I get started. So I have opened up my Boxycharm. I do know what I have inside. So let's go ahead and dive into the box. The first thing is they have changed how they do their little card. It used to be just a postcard with the product information, but now they are including coupons on the back, and then you've got this little fold-out card that has information about all the products. It actually now has little pictures of the products, so they're stepping up their game. Every month they have a theme. This month's theme is eye candy. The first thing that I received, I am not going to try it on for you guys. It is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More's Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask, and I love face masks, but I don't try them on my Boxycharm try-ons. What I am going to do with this mask though is I am going to be doing a 7 days of masking, which I did a 7 days of masking blog post last year. I'm going to do another one, but this time around I'm going to put it up on Instagram stories. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should. That way you can make sure to catch that series. I will continue to announce it. I'll also announce it on my Instagram. I'll announce it on Twitter and Facebook to let you guys know when it's going to take place. The next product that I'm going to talk about is one that is very, very exciting. It is one of my most favorite brands ever, and that is ColourPop. And I received a full-size ColourPop palette. I've gotten the Element of Surprise palette, which is so pretty. I was so hoping that I would not get the My Little Pony palette because I just did not like that palette at all. So I ended up getting this one, and I'm super stoked about it. I like the packaging. I think the packaging is so pretty. I've always loved purple and green or teal together. I think that they look so pretty together, but it's all about what's in the palette. And what is in the palette are 12 eyeshadows from ColourPop. And if you've never tried the ColourPop pressed shadows, they are really, really good. They're some of the best pressed eyeshadows, and they're super economical. You can buy them as singles, or you can buy them like this in a palette. So super, super excited. I love the colors in this palette. So excited to try it. So let's go ahead and let's try it. Now I am going to kind of speed through this section because I don't want this video to be like eons long. I'm also going to come in a little bit closer. Okay, so that is the finished eye look, and it came out a lot more dramatic than I thought it would, but I really like it. I think this is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. I'm excited to have it. I want to continue to play with it. I've got a few colors in here that are just so intriguing. I really like this row here. I like this color right here. It's just a really beautiful palette. So super excited to have gotten that in my Boxycharm box. I really like the way the eye look turned out. I really like having this. I think it's beautiful. I'm going to continue using it. Definitely a winner for me. Also added some earrings. I noticed I didn't have any on, so I've added earrings, and I have done all of my face makeup. So this month they have included another brow product, and this is by the Brow Gal. This is tinted brow gel with microfibers, and it is in light hair, so not exactly sure how this is going to look, but we will see. I don't have anywhere near light hair. I've already done my brows, of course. Let's see what this is all about. I like the little brush. I'm not sure about the color. It did lighten up my brows a little bit, which I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing. I can see the fibers. Maybe I'm putting too much product on though. If it were in the right shade, I would say it's like a 100% winner. I have not been giving you prices. I forgot. The Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner retails for $47. That's pricey for a little tube of mask. The ColourPop eyeshadow palette is $16. The Brow Gal Insta-Tint Tinted Eyebrow Gel, that's what this is called. It retails for $22. They've also included the Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade Stunner. I'm not a fan of liquid highlighters or cream highlighters. I don't necessarily do well with cream products, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. I'm gonna go super light with it first and then build it up, just because I'm not too familiar with this product. Doesn't seem to be moving my foundation around or anything like that. It is a little bit chunky, I'm gonna say, as far as like glittery. And I don't know. I can't get it to ever blend. Maybe if I used a stippling brush. Do I have my stippling brush in here? I don't have my stippling brush in here. I'm just gonna straight up apply this with my beauty blender on the other cheek and hope I don't mess things up. And I think I just did. Ugh. This stuff, you kind of have to work quickly with it. You only have a certain amount of playtime with it before it gets a little bit chunky and harder to manipulate. Then I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this to the inner corner of my eye. It's kind of blending away right there in that spot. So that's the highlight. It's not my most favorite product that I've gotten in a Boxycharm box. I'm gonna be honest. I'm just not a fan of cream highlighters to start, and this one just is a little bit difficult to work with. I'm taking whatever's left on my beauty blender and I'm just applying that to my nose just to give it a little bit of shimmer. Let me take a quick close-up look. It actually is melting into the skin nicely, but I do see little bits of glitter sitting on my skin. They're super tiny, but they're like bunching up. It's bunching up on my skin a little bit, the shimmers and the glitters. The Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighter is retailing for $29. I don't think I would buy this product. I'm not about it. I just really don't like it. Sorry. So the final product that I have from my Boxycharm box today, it is the Odesse New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. And this one is in the shade, it doesn't have the shade name on it. Maybe it'll have it on the bottle inside. So we have this beautiful mid-toned nude. It's gonna look really pretty, I think, with this eye look. It has a flat applicator. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Okay, I don't think it's a matte liquid lipstick. I think it's a liquefied lipstick. The head of the wand is very flexible. It does feel really hydrating, I will say that. It is a little bit sticky, not necessarily in a bad way. It has a little bit of tackiness to it. It's not quite as, I don't know, thin or I don't know, it's not quite as viscous, I guess, you know, viscosity, viscous. It's not quite as viscous as the Bite Beauty liquefied lipsticks, but it does have some slip to it and it has a little bit of stick to it. Not bad. I really like it. I think it's a beautiful color. I think I can definitely rock this color. And that particular product is retailing for $24. So let's go ahead and tally up and see how much this box is worth. Okay, so this box is worth $138 this month. Let me go ahead and do a quick run through. So the Ades New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick, love so far. My lips feel super hydrated. I don't feel like it's gonna slip around. I don't see any weird bleeding yet or anything like that. It looks like it is going to stay put. Really, really like this lipstick. I think it is beautiful. The Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter, not a fan. It does look a little bit better now that I applied my blush and kind of blended my blush into the highlight, but it's still not a favorite. I just am not comfortable working with cream products, so I will probably pass this along to someone else. The Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette, absolutely love. These colors are so beautiful. They're so on for spring and summer. And then the Brow Gal Insta Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. I like it. I just wish that the tone were more in line with my hair color. I think it's just a little bit too light. It made them look a little ashy. So I probably won't use this. I'm probably going to pass this along to someone who has lighter colored hair than me. So I think that does it for everything that came in my Boxycharm box. What did you get in your Boxycharm box if you subscribed? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm really, really curious to know what you guys have in your Boxycharm boxes. So leave me some notes. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you again so much for watching. Bye.